This is Real Tech Refrigeration and Air Conditioner Specialist. Today we have a thermal fuse. This fuse is for the heat element. You see, this heat element is for the Samsung fridge. So we just want to make sure this fuse is good. You can test it using a multimeter. Okay, let's turn on multimeter. Okay, our multimeter is on now. So now we just want to select ohms, right? You can hear it makes a beeping sound, so it tells us this fuse is good. So the only problem here is this heat element, so we have to change the heat element and put another one, because what's normal happen for this frost fridge, when it goes to defrost cycle, it won't do anything. There was a ice build up on the fridge. Reason is this element is defective. So